Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The origin of the Secret Brotherhood. The marriage of the disabled young woman and Akpéna flourished immensely. It is said that they had 16 children. Little is known, however, about the other children, except for the two eldest, who were named Gubu, nicknamed Yeye, and Ni, nicknamed Yo-Yo. They grew up like cat and dog, always fighting with one another. On one occasion, they even resorted to using diabolical means for mutual destruction. When their parents discovered that they were at risk of destroying each other, they brought them to the hut previously inhabited by their mother and made them swear upon their mother's amulet, called Edan. During the oaths, they promised never to conspire or do anything against one another. This was the first initiation ceremony into the Secret Brotherhood. The name Ògbóni is a derivation of the names of its founders, Ògbó and Ònì. According to Orunmila, it is reputed to be the first secret society on Earth.